Hi, you're watching Das Overa. This is Amarpal Singh before you. As we have learned that there is disruption in the LPG gas supply as well, which is leading to the black marketing as well as hoarding. So, district administration they have formed a special committee to monitor the functioning of LPG gas agencies. We are having with us ADC General Poonam Singh. Ma'am, please brief about this committee. What will be the primary objective of this committee?
See, the primary objective of this committee that is to make sure that all the consumers they get their supplies in a very smooth manner. Since we have seen that of late there has been an unnatural spike in the demand. So, just to make sure that there's a lot of public convenience and everything takes place smoothly, so this committee is constituted.
Who are the officers in this committee?
See, the officers which are there in this committee, they are the ADC Journal headed by me, and then there are the DFSE, East West, both of them, and then there's also ACA Glada who is there in this committee.
Right. Ma'am, how this committee will work, whether they will conduct regular checks or what kind of working will be there?
See, we have special teams which have been constituted in order to check the illegal, hoarding, illegal storage, and also the black marketing. So there are the other teams which are going for the raids also, for the inspections also, just to make sure that there is no illegal storage or illegal hoarding of these products. But at the same time, the committee is also listening to any issues, any grievances which are coming. So we just the overall aim that is to stop the illegal to hoarding, to stop the black marketing, just to make sure that there is convenience. Because I'd like to tell you that so far as the situation is there, we do not have any shortage. The supply line that is completely normal, that is as it was in the past, the supply line is completely normal, but due to some unexplained reasons that there is spike in the demand. So when there is over exaggeration of the demand, people sometimes they feel that this is going to happen. These are all apprehensions, these are all rumors. So once this thing comes in their mind, so they start storing the things. Right. So but this is all panic created demand, exaggerated demand. So we just want to assure everybody that the supply line is completely normal. There's nothing disturbing which has happened or which is going to happen. So you should not panic at all. A normal cylinder that works for 20-25 days, and why to accumulate 3-4 cylinders? So basically this is the request. This is a request to everybody to.
Right. Ma'am, as of now, the cylinder will be booked after 25 days or the time period has been extended?
See, the guidelines which are, we have received the guidelines. So as per the guidelines only, till now I think it is 25, but I think it would be, this deadline can come down also. Right. So obviously.
Right. If anyone is found violating the norms or black marketing, what kind of action the committee is going to take?
See, if anyone is found black marketing and violating the norms, so obviously we will take action against the Essential Commodities Act. So the strict action will be taken against those people. Right. But at the same time, see, the primary objective is not to take action against people. We do not want this thing to happen. Our primary objective is just to ensure that there is the smooth supply chain, there's a smooth channel, the demand and the supply that is balanced, because there is no disruption in the supply chain. So we just want to assure people that everything is normal. There's no need to accumulate these goods.
Right. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
So she is ADC Poonam Singh, who is chairing this committee. So she has mentioned that there is no shortage of supply. Supply chain is totally normal. So this committee is also formed to ensure that that the supply of LPG gas should run smoothly. So and they will keep check on the black marketing as well as hoarding, as well as an action will be taken accordingly. So she appealed the public to stay away from the rumors and do not panic, as supply chain is totally normal. So we will keep updating you. Stay tuned to Das Overa for more updates. Amarpal Singh with cameraman Sandeep Singh.